Today, let's make purple cabbage fried rice with eggs. Simple, easy, and packed with nutrition.
Purple cabbage is like a natural magician. Once stir-fried with eggs, the rice takes on a soft purple hue, looking both romantic and appetizing. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. Crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them well for later use. Heat all in the pan, add the beaten eggs, and pour in the rice before the eggs fully set. This method helps the rice fully absorb the flavor of the eggs while keeping the grains separate and fluffy. Additionally, it ensures the eggs remain tender and evenly coat the rice, enhancing both texture and aroma. Stir-fry the rice and eggs together until they are well separated and fragrant. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Personally, I find it extra delicious with a heavier hand on the pepper. Add the purple cabbage and stir-fry together. Adjust the cooking time based on how tender or crisp you prefer it. If you prefer a crisp texture, stir-fry for about 1 minute before serving. For a softer taste, extend cooking to 2 to 3 minutes. Adjust the time while tasting to achieve your ideal tenderness. Add corn kernels and stir-fry. The bright yellow specks make the dish look like it's sprinkled with tiny golden blossoms. The purple cabbage fried rice is ready. Plate it up and enjoy every flavorful bite. You can add a few bell pepper strips for color, or customize with cilantro, green onions, or any toppings you love. Due to filming video, vibrant colors really pop on camera. And if you're just cooking for yourself, feel free to drizzle in some crispy shallot oil. It adds a deliciously fragrant touch. Don't worry about the purplish blue hue of the cabbage fried rice. It's nature's colorful magic, making the dish both delicious and visually delightful. Purple cabbage is rich and natural, which shift color in acidic or alkaline conditions. The eggs or moisture in fried rice can create that dreamy purple-blue hue. It's a harmless natural reaction, so feel free to enjoy this uniquely romantic touch of color. Purple cabbage is rich in anthocyanins and vitamins, offering natural antioxidant and immune-boosting benefits. Its high fiber and low-calorie content also aid digestion and support a healthy metabolism. Regular consumption not only adds color to your meals, but also combines nutrition with deliciousness. The anthocyanins in purple cabbage help women combat oxidation, maintaining skin elasticity and radiance. Its rich folate and iron content support menstrual health and help reduce fatigue. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. Momo sincerely thanks everyone for your comments and support. You're also welcome to share your thoughts on each recipe or talk about how you make these dishes at home. Let's learn simple and delicious home-style recipes together. Cooking at home truly brings so much joy, doesn't it? I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.